Hello everybody, this is Chinmay. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the importance of tea tree oil for our skin. Tea tree oil is an essential oil. Now, what is an essential oil? Essential oils are very concentrated and cannot be applied on the skin directly. So it needs a carrier oil or a medium to be applied to the skin. So tea tree oil is one such oil which is very effective for acne and pimples. There are active ingredients in tea tree oil that are antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, and these ingredients help to fight acne and pimples effectively. Studies have shown that tea tree oil has almost the same property as benzoyl peroxide, which is a very effective ingredient to combat acne. Although it may take a bit of time, but it's very effective. Tea tree oil can also improve oily skin's general texture or the general condition of the skin, even if it's not breaking out. Tea tree oil also helps in healing up wounds and cuts very easily and very effectively. It's also shown that if we use tea tree oil during our bath time, like putting a drop of tea tree oil inside a bucket or in your bathtub, generally it gives a glowing skin. It also helps to prevent foul body smell. Tea tree oil can also be used with shampoo to treat dandruff. It sometimes becomes too much to mix tea tree oil with so many products to get its benefits. So nowadays there are a lot of products available in the market which has the goodness of tea tree oil and tea tree oil inside those products, and they are equally effective. Mamaearth has recently come up with their tea tree oil range. The first is the Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil Face Wash, and the second is the Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil Free Moisturizer. So these two are the products that contains the goodness of tea tree oil and can be used to treat acne and pimple prone skin. Not only that, these can also help in reducing shine of oily skin. Mamaearth Tea Tree Face Wash is priced at Rs 399 for 250 ml. It is a cooling blend of tea tree and neem that releases anti-inflammatory and antifungal guards on the skin to control excess oil, clear pores and fight acne attacks. Along with soothing aloe vera, these hardworking ingredients calm any redness, swelling or inflammation. It leaves your skin supple and hydrated after every wash. Neem purifies the skin by removing dirt and other impurities that clog skin pores. Aloe vera helps soothe any redness or irritation and nourishes the skin from within. Tea tree oil reduces excess oil from the skin and provides a fresh feel to the skin. The face wash removes excess oil, antibacterial properties, reduces breakouts like acne and pimples, does not over dry skin. Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil-Free Moisturizer is priced at Rs 299 for 80 grams. The oil-free face moisturizer will penetrate deep into the skin to keep it hydrated all day long while keeping a check on your acne. It has tea tree, which is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory in property and disinfects skin pores and reduces the occurrence of pimples and inflammation. It has salicylic acid that clears clogged pores, reduces blemishes and improves the skin's appearance. It also helps to prevent blackheads and breakouts. It dissolves excess sebum, making it great for acne-prone skin. It has vitamin E that has excellent moisturizing and healing properties which strengthen the skin's barrier function. It also soothes and calms the skin due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It fights acne and pimples. It has 24 hours hydration, non-sticky moisturization, suitable for all skin types. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand and their products are free from harmful chemicals and are all natural. Every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree they plant. The exact geolocation picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you. Mamaearth products are available on www.mamaearth.in, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. You can use my code CHILLMIL2021 to avail a flat 20% off on www.mamaearth.in. Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users get early access to all sales and get extra discounts. So this is all about tea tree oil and how it's beneficial for our skin related issues, and also you can check in the description box about all the products of Mamaearth has been spoken about in this video. So this is all about it. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.